Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What, we have a 2007 Toyota Tundra, and as you can see, we got a bunch of things missing here. What's missing? Well, the engine harness is, or a portion of it. We got out with the old, in with the brand new. This is going to be on the driver's side right here in the interior. This is in the engine bay. This is going to be on the driver's side. We got our crash zone sensor here, grounds, lights. We got a horn. Oh no, that's not the horn. This is the horn right here. We got the horn right here. We got the passenger side crash zone sensor, fog light, headlights, something else that plugs in over there. We got grounds, then passenger fuse block, or excuse me, junction. This plugs into the engine ECU and then it goes into the passenger side. Let's get into it. Come on, get out in there. Just trying to clean the area up a little bit. That? Oh, that was out of the connector. Alright. Pretty much ready to install that harness now. Alright. Oh, light fell down. Alright, so we're going to try and keep this wrapped up. Go on top here. Alright. I'm going to go into the interior and try and grab one of these connectors and pull it through. See, we already got some of them in here, and you don't want to pull. You just want to try and maneuver in and out because you don't want to damage any of the new connectors. It's brand new harness. So you just go back to the engine side, push in a little bit, stick a bean in over the frank, and just get it through the firewall. We have the harness freshly into the interior. So now we're gonna probably put that fuse block back in and put this harness on the other side of this block, and then yeah, we could continue the install. Very good. Well, alright guys, the driver's side is all in. Throttle pedal is all wired up. All the harness is in its proper mounting positions. That goes for all these connectors. I think this one was empty, but we will soon find out. Alright guys, so we have the driver's side harness, at least in the interior. We got the valve block, the ABS valve block, excuse me, plugged in, mounted to the body. We got the fuse block mounted to the body. We have grounds mounted. We ran our harness that way, so now we are ready to put this one, we're ready to sneak this guy into this channel, and we want it to be positioned correctly. These face up because they go into these holes right here, and yeah, so we'll lift up the radiator, get it out of the way, sneak this guy in. Come on, come on. Very good. Let's get our radiator back up into position. Alright, very good. Now we're ready to move on along this way. We don't want this to be twisted too much. Should just fall into place. I think we're right. How's this go? It go this way, it go this way. Go that way, right? Alright, I gotta figure that out. So we're gonna see, I don't think anything went to this connector, but we'll all soon find out together. So now, what we have left is we gotta go to the passenger side and connect everything over there. So let's go over there. These go to the bolster. This goes to the tire pressure switch. There's some other switches over here. I believe a four-wheel drive switch, perhaps. But yeah, let's go to the passenger side. All right, very good, guys. We figured out the routing of the harness. We got this little guy that goes to the wheel speed sensor. We got a mount here. We got a mount here. We got one right here as well. Now, oh, can you see it? Yeah, right over here. And mounted up to the radiator support. So now we are ready to put this into the interior. It's not that bad. It's not as extensive as the driver's side. It should be a whole lot easier to install into the body. This guy is going to go like that. That's going to be engine harness, or right to our engine ECU. Probably plug the guy in right now. Come on, let's see. There we go. Alright, that's plugged in. Stick that in there. We can mount that up. We can plug this in. Very good, very good. Well, as you can see, we're on the passenger side, and yeah, there's not that much to do. Probably gonna have to take these guys off to plug to the four-wheel drive ECU up there, and we're gonna connect these guys, and we're gonna be done on the passenger side. Very good. All right, passenger side is all in. Four-wheel drive ECU is plugged in. We had to route the harness on the other side of this harness. Crash zone sensor, anything SRS, these are plugged in. Ground we never took off, so we should be all set in the interior. All I really have to do is just install the knee bolster, because there's I believe 5 connections to be made there. We're going to do our double checks in the engine bay, and we're going to install the battery and starter. Will it start? I really hope so. Well, alright, ladies and gentlemen, everything is mounted up in the engine bay. We have some new hardware where needed. As you recall, these guys broke, so now it's all mounted. Our harness is routed into the interior. Grounds are attached, headlights are installed and plugged up. Radiator is mounted back, cooler is mounted. Pressure sensor, horns, the harness is in the channel and mounted as well. We have our grounds, fuse block, ABS block is mounted back, plugged in. Whatchamacallit, this guy right here. That's our hood release cable is ran. Everything is plugged in. This headlight's all installed and plugged in. So meow, we just have the passenger interior to go, the driver's interior to go, battery, and yeah, should start. Let's keep going. Alright, we did our double checks. Battery's connected. Should start. Should start.
Oh yeah, first try. If you guys don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.